Hi, Vicky Wu with Vicky Wu Marketing, bringing you a Marketing Mythbuster. This myth is that SEO is all about keywords, and let me explain why that is not the case. It used to be that the only thing Google was looking at in their algorithm was keywords, and that's how that old practice of keyword stuffing came to be, where people would repeat the same keyword over and over and over again on the page with no variations. They'd stuff them in the meta description and the titles, and at one time there was even a meta keyword and they'd stuff them there. That practice went out of favor a long time ago, and it can actually get you kind of dinged and make your traffic go down, which is not what you want. Google's obviously made changes in their algorithms over the years, and it's more important now, and Google's search engine algorithm understands better now variations of the keywords. So you don't have to have that one same keyword, such as cat, over and over again. You may have feline, you may have kitty or kitten. That's just a random example. I like cats, so there you go. Google understands those variations better and better and expects to see those variations in the copy on your website. More importantly, and one of the newer updates that they've done, is that instead of having just a keyword, they're looking at the entire phrase and the copy around the keyword, mainly because of voice search. People search very differently when they're typing on their keyboard or even when they're typing on their phone. And their search phrase is usually much shorter than when what they're doing now with more regularity is actually talking to their phone and having it search that way. That's why optimizing your content for voice search can be such an important piece of current SEO. And that doesn't have as much to do with just the keywords. Yes, keywords are still important. You want to make sure that you're choosing words that your customers and prospects will actually be searching for, but that's not where your main focus needs to be. This voice search is also why we focus so heavily on the readability of content. Things that are too technical or that are worded too formally often don't see as much traction on the search engine algorithm as something that's written more like how you would talk. You'll notice this on our blog articles. The text is really written much how we'd talk to you if you were right in front of us. Not really formal, not super technical, even with a very technical strategy or process. It's more natural language, and that natural language is something very important for the search engines now. Another piece that's really new by Google, and you know once Google updates their algorithms, the other search engines won't be too far behind, has to do with user intent. Even if a user uses the same search term on some searches maybe hours or days, even weeks apart, Google looks at their prior search history and what pages they visited on your website or another website to help determine their intent, basically where they may be on the customer journey from becoming aware of that they need a solution to a problem and actually purchasing that solution. That user intent is really important, and it's just a good practice, not even for your SEO, but for your conversions and actually taking people from just someone visiting your website into a paying customer. This is where general marketing strategies and SEO specifically go hand in hand really well, and very important for both of them. It's actually why we teach in our new SEO Accelerator our strategy to help you develop keywords on different content that are appropriate for the different stages of a customer journey. Ideally, then, we go back and edit those pages, or you do, as part of the program, and you'll have one page that a prospect lands on through search, for example, or driven there from your social media, whatever it may be. Not a landing page in the sense of click here, get an offer, give me your email, and you get something, but just the landing page that they first come into your website on. That's usually more at an awareness stage, sometimes intent, but usually awareness. And strategies you can do to take them from that page to a next page of the process that maybe moves them along the customer journey. You do that through strategic use of the right keyword for the right time of the journey and cross-linking your pages within your website. And ideally that will take them from awareness to intent to comparing your offer maybe with other people and then to purchasing, doing a conversion, becoming a client, and paying. Out of these strategies that Google is really focusing on now, you'll notice that I didn't really talk about keywords as a main component of any of them. Obviously, it's important to consider what terminology your prospects are going to be looking for when they look for the services and products you provide. But if that's your primary focus or your only focus in today's SEO world, you're focusing on the wrong thing. If you're ready to learn more about that and go beyond simply technical SEO to these new enhanced SEO pieces, visit our website, check out our new SEO Accelerator. We open this program back up regularly because we limit the number of participants so that we can provide a little more one-on-one assistance when needed. You'll find that right on our website. And of course, if you have any marketing questions, you can ask them down below or visit our website, vickiwoo.us, and in the bottom right corner, you'll see a chat icon and you could ask your question there. We'll try to answer you directly, or we may use your question on an upcoming episode. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss the latest marketing tips.